And the Steiner Summer Yiddish program.
Mm-hmm.
Can you talk a bit about that too?
Well, I started studying Yiddish at the Yiddish Book Center. It was last summer, and I was not totally sold. Like, I knew it was the right thing to do for me in terms of my academic career. I knew that it was what I had to do, or what I should do, but I wasn't that excited about it because I sort of had this idea that there's no way that I could actually find myself getting really committed to this sort of culture or language, or actually find myself getting good enough at the language for it to be worth anything to me, for it to be worthwhile to spend a lot of time on it, or to even spend, it's the kind of thing where if you're gonna spend 6 weeks doing something, like, am I really gonna get good enough that I wanna continue, or that I can do anything with it? But somehow I just got totally sold. I think that it's, as somebody who has studied a lot of languages in college, it's not necessarily a good idea to study a million languages, and it wasn't always by plan, or by choice, but to a certain degree, I think for me at least, when you're studying a language, it just sort of needs to click and feel right and feel like it's satisfying something within you, or else you're not going to have any interest in going forward. And I was really surprised that I really felt something. It felt like it was hitting just the right spot, and it felt like I wanted to keep on going.